So, long story short, early part of this evening I've been stripping and trying to ascertain why my twin leading shoe on my Norton 1969 Commando, cue the picture, was actually refusing to return when I pulled the front brake. So you can see here I've got my grease gun, but I took the opportunity with ordering some other parts, primarily rubber bits, kickstart, foot pegs, to order some new springs. Now what I'm about to show you is 6 months ago had the stiffening kit fitted to the twin leading shoe assembly. So stripped the whole assembly, removed the cams, greased the cams because I wasn't comfortable with the amount of grease that was coming out between the nipple gun and the nipple, that it was actually getting all the way through. So I stripped it, cleaned it, checked the bore, checked the phosphor bronze inserts, all good, hardly any play in the horizontal movement of the cams, greased, checked that the grease run was clear, because you actually get new cams when you order the stiffening kit from Andover Norton. Anyway, so to cut a long story short, what has happened this evening is that I've stripped and cleaned the cam bores, I've re-greased the cams, and I've fitted new springs, and I can feel that the return is far more positive when it returns. No scientific method, but I can feel that those return springs for the brake shoes are actually quite loose, is that the right word? They are not very stiff, for want of a better word, and as my friend Simon said, the only thing that pushes those shoes back when you release the front brake are those two return springs. So there we go. I'll road test the Norton hopefully over the weekend and report back what's going on, but another small job done in the shed of life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you like these videos, tick like. If you think you might be interested in the series that's coming up over winter as I maintain and recommission a number of classic bikes, think about hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, ride safe everybody, and stay warm.